Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn on personal hotspot on your iPhone X. So for doing this you just need to open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here personal hotspot, so just open it, and here you need to choose allow others to join. Here you will see your Wi-Fi password, so users will see you like a Wi-Fi network and they just need to enter this your password to enter to your network. So just turn on here, and you know that your Wi-Fi will disconnect from your phone. You will using only mobile data, so you can also set like Wi-Fi to other users your mobile data, so it will sharing your mobile data like this. So if you want to turn it off, just press here and it will successfully turn off your hotspot. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.